Welcome from all of us at curaJOY. Let's take you through creating your account. There are two ways. So you can click Get Started and either do your email address or sign in with Google. We'll do an email address sign in first. Make sure you agree to the terms of service. You'll get a one-time password in your email. And then the other way is to sign up with your existing Google account. And then follow the prompts from Google. Now you're in, you can enter your basic information. Hello, Coach Ryan. Next, we'll take you through the different check-ins. Once you are in your profile, click on the check-in button, and here's where you can actually collect your ABC narrative data to report behavior incidents. So you can actually free write or voice record. A lot of times it's easier to just speak it. And then when you're done, you would hit submit. There's privacy controls that you can modify. And the next kind of check-in is a mood check-in. So this one is just really general wellness. You can write or you can speak if you would like, and then it gives you options for different emotions. The body check-in is a body scan taken from somatic psychotherapy, and it's useful in helping people identify their body feelings, being present in their body, and this is important information. You can also perform check-ins for your children and your allies. And so going to assessments, you'll complete first the general intake form by opening that up and answering the questions. And then when you're done, you can go back. If you're using MyCuraJOY with a child, then you will also complete an intake for your child. You can also access previous check-ins and view assessments that you've already completed here in this assessment module. You can customize your avatar. We've made this highly customizable so that everyone can have an avatar that they feel truly represents them. In settings, you'll find the links to customize your avatar, and it will take you to this screen where you can make your avatar look any way you want. Have fun with it. Adding allies and children. You can invite allies by clicking the plus sign, entering their email and your relationship to them. They'll receive an email to accept your invitation and connect. To add one of your children, click the plus sign and add child. You'll put in their basic information. And if you are entering your child, then you do not have to give extra permission for your child to use it. But if they create their own account, then it will require parent permission. and you'll get an email with that. Let's take a look at one of my friends' profiles and an activity that we can do together. And make sure you go back, check your email, and accept any invitations that might have come your way.